I just got in another Dollfie Dream. This is supposed to be a Dollfie Dream sister. She sent a really pretty card. This is super cute, this postcard. The Dollfie Dream sister. And this is my first time seeing one of these in person, so I'm pretty excited. So here's the torso. She has it all separated out. The arms. Okay, so I got all the tape off, and I didn't want to bother you guys with that sound, but here is her torso. She is just popping that butt out. And then here are her legs. I have never actually put these together before, so that will be exciting. Oh, missed some tape. But here are her arms. And she does have closed hand. So I might have to get her an open hand, some open-handed ones. Okay, so I did finally get all of her legs and arms in. She looks so great. And I am so excited to get her head. I am getting a custom DDH06 head for her. And that was gonna look so good.